Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to paint on a silk cloth. And I have traced the design on it with the help of white pencil. So let's start. This is my silk cloth. I have put it in the wooden frame and cloth should not touch the table. So I have put one higher thing. This is a stand, phone stand here. Now I'll use this 000 number brush and I'm going to use only two colors. One is gray and one is pure titanium white. Because this is black background, so I'm going to use only these two colors. And this is a Bengal Alpona design. I'll start from here. These are Fevicryls fabric paints. Our paint should not be very thin for silk cloth. I'm using gray color. This is light steel gray. For this, I have mixed white paint into black. You can change the consistency of paint. You can change the consistency of color. I'm going to fill white paint in the face of the bird. Please keep on washing the brush and keep on wiping also. This much part is done. Now we are going to make a flower. So first I will draw the outline of flower. Now inside the flower, I'm going to use this flat brush. So our duck and lotus are ready. Make sure your paint is not very thick. It's not very thin. If your paint is very thick, then after some time it will peel off. If it is very thin, then it will smudge. तो आप इस बात का ध्यान रखिएगा कि आपका पेंट ना बहुत गाढ़ा हो ना बहुत पतला हो. गाढ़ा पेंट उतर जाएगा, पपड़ी की तरह उतरेगा और पतला पेंट फैल जाएगा सारे में. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो हमें ध्यान रखनी होती हैं. बाकी बहुत आसान है करना. आप प्रैक्टिस के लिए पुराने पिलो कवर्स, कुशन कवर्स को उन सबको पेंट करिए ताकि आपका हाथ सेट हो जाए. जब एक बार हाथ सेट हो जाता है तो फिर हम किसी भी चीज पे कर सकते हैं. We are making Bengal Alpona on the silk cloth. So like this is the border, and now we are going to complete the design on the upper part. With this, our painting is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. This particular piece I have done on the silk cloth. It's a 80-gram silk from Bangalore, and I have used Fevicryl's colors which are for fabric, especially for fabric. So once again, thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.